video, we're going to work through an individual limit. It's going to be one of the limits as x approaches infinity. We've got the radical on top and then a plain polynomial curve in the bottom. All right, now first step you always want to do is a direct substitution. All right, when we plug infinity in here, we're going to see that that top goes to infinity, and when we plug in an infinity here in the bottom, we're going to see that the bottom goes to negative infinity. So we definitely do have that indeterminate form, so we have to take another approach. We are going to choose to divide through by the highest power of x in the denominator, which means here in the denominator down here, I'm going to divide through by x. All right, but because the top has a square root in it, we are going to divide through by the square root of x squared. All right, but the square root of x squared is equivalent to x, so I am still dividing the entire thing by the square root of, or by the x, dividing through by x. So we're going to have here the limit as x approaches infinity. We'll have a 16 over an x squared plus a 9x squared all over an x squared underneath that radical in the top. In the denominator, we'll have a 4 over an x minus a 2x over an x. In our next step, all we're going to do is simplify, so we'll have the limit as x approaches infinity. All right, our 16 over x squared is going to stay put. This will simplify to just a 9. In the denominator here, the 4 over x stays put, and then the x's will cancel there, which will give me a 2. At this point, I'm ready for a direct substitution. So again, as we plug x in going to infinity there, then we can see that this term is going to go to 0, and this term is also going to go to 0. So those two things are basically going to fall out, so I'll have a square root of 9 over a negative 2, which gives me a negative 3 halves. All right, so pretty much a straightforward Calc 1 limit. All right, dividing through by that highest power of x in the denominator. So we do use the x here, and since the top has that square root, you know, what we're really dividing through by is that square root of x squared, but that is equivalent to x, so we are doing the overall task, algebraic task of dividing through by that highest power of x in the denominator. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please be sure to share with your friends so they can benefit too, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.